In this video guys, I'll show you how can you turn off the quick add on Snapchat and even stop people from finding you there and adding you from that quick add category. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. First, open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply find Snapchat from here and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version to make sure nothing goes wrong in this process. After that, of course. Now let's go ahead and open Snapchat. From here, you have to be logged into your account and then head out to your shots and conversations and tap here in this button in the top right corner to open the quick add category. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once it loads up, you'll find lots of people here. If you have a specific person in mind that you keep seeing here and you don't want to add that person, you can remove it or remove them from this category by simply tapping on the X right next to their accounts. So tap there, and then from here, simply go ahead and scroll up and refresh this page. You'll never see that person here again. Now if you want to not be seen in this category, from here, tap in the Bitmoji in the top left corner from your profile right here, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings, and from here scroll down until you find this option that says See Me in Quick Add. Tap on it, and simply from here it should be automatically turned on. Simply turn it off by tapping on this check right here. Now if you want to limit the information the quick add category has about you, scroll down and tap on contact syncing, and from here make sure this toggle is switched off, and even tap on this remove button to remove the contacts that Snapchat has about you. And that is basically how you do it. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.